Previously.
Bro, look at the phone, bro. Look at the phone. He been trying to call you for the past hour.
Niggas is fake as a bitch, bro. I haven't got my number saved.
Hell
Damn. You said what?
It's some judges across the street that bitch.
Damn, somebody already breaking stuff. He already breaking stuff. What the? He already breaking stuff. Oh, fuck. Oh. Then he already breaking stuff. Let me break something. Oh! We grab a remote.
I'm sleeping right here. I'm sleeping right here, bro.
We finna watch some PH. Dude, big ass.
Oh, you got time.
What y'all doing?
Bro, it's already going.
You can't plot down on them motherfuckers. They ain't gonna give us a super duper.
It's already going down.
Easy on the break it, cuz.
Chop with a skull. Like a jump roll. Watch out. Yeah. No.
in the movie theater.
Mom's vlog, you vlog? Now she the originator.
I'm like, you got it from right here, bro.
But she been shooting tape since I was like little.
With the call me now scar for you motherfucker, what?
She the original vlogger.
Video since Aki and Nene was kids.
She the original vlogger, I'm telling you.
What are you doing?
What?
Y'all vlogging each other.
And that shit gonna be for sale. Huh? What?
It's priceless.
This motherfucker.
It's priceless.
Again. Yes, it is.
Come on, man.
Yes, it is.
RP to Juan, but why did you miss out?
Oh, my nigga Snake, boy, your ass would have been here this time. You reneged on us the first time, but I would have made sure you came this time.
It's
but
nothing.
You're still here with us, though.
It's really nothing.
You're still here with us.
Yeah, he is.
Going, man.
Bro, really stealing my stuff.
Good morning, Grandpa. How you doing? I said, how you doing?
Damn, it's early in the morning. It's early in the morning.
I was trying to call y'all yesterday. I was trying to call y'all before I left Milwaukee because I'm in Florida right now. Remember I told you I was going to Florida?
Ooh. He said, ooh.
What's up, Grandpa?
Have a good time. You are a young man, but don't get yourself in no trouble.
Yeah,
Have yourself a good time, and don't forget to put the Lord first.
Oh, yeah.
yes, sir.
Enjoy yourself.
Bro, they do death penalties down here, bro. Like, that's crazy.
Any of the family?
No, not in the family here. I'm here with I'm here with my boy and his family.
Say what now?
I said I'm here with my boy and his family.
Oh, okay, then. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, don't get yourself in no trouble. Do what you are told to do, and just don't forget.
Smash all the heads.
Tell him, give him praise and give him thanks for blessing you to make it safely, okay?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did that before I got on the plane. All like, was
And you got on a plane, huh?
yeah, I was scared. I was scared.
Don't feel bad. I've been in your... Yes,
Man, I was asking God. I was like, God, please, cause like I didn't, it was shaking. It was shaking.
You like, please, God.
The plane was turning. I ain't like how it turned. And, my ears was popping too. I ain't like none of that. I ain't like none of that, Grandpa. Like I felt it, like in my chest, like when we was turning and stuff, and I felt like it was too much, Grandpa. I ain't for real. I got some pictures though. I wish I could send it to you. But
well, I don't know how to work my phone.
yeah, I'm
I call you to do that.
in Orlando. Like
No, we in Broward.
I'm in a big,
In the hood.
big house, palm trees around. Man, I just thank God.
Yeah, it's only God, man.
Yeah, thank God.
Please don't forget him.
I'm not.
Regardless of how much fun you have, please don't forget him because he is causing you to have fun and be safe,
Yeah.
It's only God, thank
I
God.
just want
Oh,
there you go, sneezing.
bro, I'm a germophobic ass nigga. I'm always sneezing or coughing. What the damn, where everybody else at? Damn, look at the Henny bottle. What the fuck? Damn. Damn. Look at the Henny. Damn. Damn. Look what they did to the hand dog. That motherfucker at the label. They did that to the hand dog. They did my feelings on the hand dog. My morning voice still on. It's already open. Damn. Hello. Damn. Man, this shit crazy.
My boy on the vlog. Put my boy Leak on the vlog. He already coming out with the camera. Say what to do, Leak.
Damn.
You gonna make a bed tonight.
Bro, we almost dead. I swear to God.
We just trying to make a bed.
Bro, she was
You trying to walk the hood?
she was fresh off the boat.
You trying to walk? Bro?
Yeah.
Didn't you say it was like a park over here?
This is not even a hood. This is a suburb.
Yeah. Nah, we in a gated community. Damn. We in a gated community. Let's go this way. Bro, it's hot as a bitch. Oh, look.
My other house is like down there.
Yeah, we ain't.
Down.
Yeah. It's a river over there, though.
Nah, by the river.
Nigga, we didn't know niggas in town.
The niggas in town.
It's our shit. Nah, nigga, fuck you talking about. We taking over.
But I know it costs racks to even live here.
Nigga, I am in that shit. Fuck you talking about, man. That shit. Wait, what'd he say?
I don't know. He got the do-rag on, the Beano.
Oh, he got a Beano too. That is not no Beano, cause he got some
That's some gas.
He talking about some Beano. You got it on you.
Damn, these motherfuckers fat. Bro, it feel good to not see hypes every 10 minutes type shit. Anger. Nah, I'm blessed. It's like my 3rd year doing this. Yeah, I've been down here with Nene and Earl since like 2021.
That's tight.
It's only God, man. Only God made this happen.
A lot of niggas don't come out and do this shit, right?
Man, we walk around this motherfucker, 3 black niggas. These motherfuckers fat.
Hey, wait, give me on vlog with this phone shit.
Better hurry up. They got a rain camera too.
First time touching
a palm tree.
First time with a palm tree.
Where's the coconut tree at?
No coconut back up. Damn, this white crib fat as a bitch. That white crib. MTV crib.
Fuck, bro. Why is it blood right here? Oh, that's paint. So Terrace Street get dangerous. Go ahead.
This is the main entrance, bro. So what do you do now?
Good morning.
What's up? How you doing? Good.
Bro, they go a gecko. You think you ugly, God? Joe big ass.
Look, you damn near can't even see it because it's small as a bitch.
You gonna have to go fast.
I know. Look, can you see it?
Damn, look at that gecko.
Is there looking at?
What the fuck? Oh, that's a lizard, bro.
I want to pick it up because I already damn near break.
Watch out for that motherfucker gonna fight the fuck out you.
I was just gonna go back and grab. Gecko, it's another one.
Hey, did that work? That nigga pushed the button, it didn't even go off, did it?
No.
It's right there. Look. It's the
Where?
little lizard. The
Excuse me.
little lizard right there. It's
Hey,
on the
nigga, you gonna
thing.
see
Where you
frogs
going?
and all type of shit.
What is it?
Oh, you gonna see a lot of those, bro.
Yeah, we
Remember
just
the
seen
last time we was here, Peanut, you seen them.
Grab it, kid. Grab it.
Nigga, no. What the fuck?
We just seen a
I don't
great.
think they
They don't
act
bite.
like they dangerous.
You grab it.
Yeah.
Let me see that.
I'm checking if anything in the pool because
I'm just trying to do
my
so.
mom
No,
told me
break, man.
while we was inside the pool, it'd be
Hey,
alligators.
See?
bag
Y'all
up,
look.
bag up.
Y'all
Bag
just,
up from the water.
Yep, y'all just stay out here and listen. If y'all get to playing too much and Shaquan make y'all come back in, it's gonna be too bad. So just chill out and watch. Did y'all hear me?
I'm gonna definitely jump in here.
There ain't nothing in the pool, middle wall. Nothing in the pool.
Yeah.
When we get back from doing what we're doing, we can jump in the pool.
Yay!
Cannonballs.
Man, you ain't getting in that water, man.
I'm so down, bro. I'm not.
They're probably gonna go.
Damn.
Is you going to Typhoon Lagoon? Is he going to,
Yeah.
you going in there where
That's the water park.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll go, yeah.
Wait, we going to the amusement park today?
No,
It's finna be raining.
What, tomorrow?
It's finna be raining till
probably
6.
tomorrow. Probably go to the Waffle House, then the mall.
Oh, yeah, y'all.
Waffle House, bro.
Waffle
Gotta
House.
go. Wait, we going today?
Yeah, we
Yeah,
finna get ready
most
and go.
Oh, I bet.
Most definitely.
Alright, bet.
Yeah. Finna go to the Waffle House and eat some of these famous waffles and shit.
Oh, what the
That you always seeing about in New Orleans and Atlanta and shit.
I want some waffles. I want some waffles. Yeah, but I need two.
You don't want to go to the mall? Well, you might can get dropped back off here then. Cause we going to the mall.
Why you don't want to go to the mall?
On what though?
He be alright. That's cause he's 9 years old and he want to play in the pool all day.
I'm cannonballing in here later on. I'm not even playing.
Damn, we need a mansion party in this month.
We got some heads in here.
Bro, we I like 5 heads. 5 heads, some za, some pizza.
Egg it is.
Dang. That Latina and her kids get in here.
Oh, you better be careful, bro.
Ever since day one, what did y'all think of this?
Oh,
Let me go. You tossed me into that pool. I'm telling on you that you did it, not me.
You don't have to tell me, because it's on footage. Is that the water over there? Isn't that a swamp or no?
nah.
But alligators can pop up out of there. But you gonna leave her.
What are you doing, Sam?
If one pop up out of there, y'all gonna leave her.
They better not leave me.
I'm not gonna leave you.
Hey, they ain't gonna have to. I'm gonna bust through that motherfucking screen.
I'm
I'm gonna make it in there.
get the pool thing and I'm gonna stab them. Nana, I'm gonna get the pool thing and I'm gonna stab them so I can
Oh yeah, that is.
Gonna help me, son?
Hey yo,
They gonna be the ones scared.
I'm
yo.
like,
Sam gonna be the one scared while you trying to save me, huh?
Oh, Bob, he's scared. Yeah. No.
Jump.
y'all done me to service in here?
No.
I cannot dive here. I'm gonna right hit my head right on the thing.
You go over there, guys.
Over there?
Yeah, over there.
I'm scared. I don't really like swimming. My mom said I can't swim.
Kodak, how you move like that? How you move like that? Cause I got it by my how you like that? How you vibe like that?
But this made me feel like young boy, like
You
when
have
he was in his crib and
AirPods.
shit. Like,
Well, free D dog. What you gotta say?
AirPods. Sam,
I'm out of town. Take it when I'm around.
Turn this brightness down. What's up? We're at the Waffle House. We at Tennessee.
Waffle House and we on Tennessee.
what's up?
I have our food.
Yeah, what's up, y'all?
Got my waffle coming. Damn, Mike.
I can't even see it.
You got to get up. Is the food good?
Yeah, it's like Waffle House. It's good. Yeah. Try the cheeseburger. It's good.
That's right, that shit good. I know.
But what the fuck the Waffle House
Damn, Doughboy from the fade. Damn, bro. I ate all this. Damn.
Bro, my hand's dirty.
There's some napkins right here.
I'm ready.
Look, it's third order.
Got syrup everywhere.
Oh my God.
Okay, that's yours, baby. That's yours.
Alright.
Oh, you ate it all? Oh, you gotta go over there now.
Go over there.
Let me bring you away.
Yeah, please. Thank you.
Wait, where's the amount?
I don't know.
I'm confused as a bitch. Look at this. Where's the
18.
amount?
I think it's 18. Oh yeah, my shit 18.
Where you see yours at? 1850.
Yeah, we don't touch your credit cards anymore, but I'll meet you over there in just a minute.
I should have dubbed. I should have dubbed. I'm full as a bitch. What you gotta say? What you gotta say?
Hold on. Bean chili.
What you gotta say?
I have to say strawberry biscuit.
What you gotta say before we go?
Where the heads? Where the heads?
It's like your 5th plate. Nah, I'm done. That shit was good. I ain't gonna lie. Got my dub right there.
Okay, fat.
Okay, fat bitch.
No.
Bro, I can't move right now, nigga.
Damn, big
Damn.
ass. Damn.
Bro, you pregnant with twins.
You said what?
I said you pregnant.
Oh, shut up.
Alright, I'm finna go pay. I'm finna go pay.